Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. Yesterday in our class, we discussed about adjectives and its types. We know that what is adjective? Describing word that describe noun, and the words which describe noun and pronoun are called adjectives. And the next topic we discussed, it was types of adjectives. There are many kind of adjectives. Some kind of adjective we described yesterday, remaining we will describe today. So there the main type of adjectives are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective. So yesterday in our last class we discussed about some kinds of adjective. The first kind we discussed was adjective of quality. The second we discussed adjective of number or numeral adjective, and next distributive numeral adjective. Now next look into the next kind of adjective, and it is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrate, when we show something, when we point something, words that points out a person, thing or animal. For example, this book is mine. See, I am pointing towards the book and I am saying that this book is mine. And when we demonstrate something, we say, see, this is a tree, this is a lion. So when we point something, these kind of adjective are demonstrative adjective. If you remember pronoun, we discussed about demonstrative pronoun. Okay, they also had the same words. Do you remember? When we were learning kinds of pronoun, the same demonstrative pronoun was also there. Yes, so here we have demonstrative adjective. The words when we point something, some person, animal or thing, these words are called demonstrative. The book, I can say that, these, those. The more words for demonstrate I can use are that, these, those, this. Okay, now what is the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun? The first, we need to know the difference between adjective and pronoun. That time we were learning pronoun, now we are learning adjective. So when we are learning the kinds, so kinds are same, but the main word, the main thing is what we are learning, what we are discussing. Pronoun means the words which replace noun and which replace noun. Pronoun are the word which replace noun, and adjective are the words which describe noun or pronoun. This is the difference. The main difference will be there when we discuss, when we learn the kinds of adjective or pronoun. So when we are saying demonstrative adjective, we gave the example, this book is mine. So the word this, it's a demonstrative adjective. We used it with noun. Book is a noun, so we said this book is mine. Got? Means we use adjective with noun, before noun. And when we learned, we were discussing about pronoun. When we use demonstrative pronoun, we said this is my book. Here this we replaced this with noun, and this come before verb. So this is the main difference. You need to remember, don't get confused. If you will practice, if you will learn, you will understand. It's very easy. Okay, now the next kind of adjective is interrogative adjective. Interrogative, we know when we ask some question, these kind of sentence are called interrogative sentence. The same thing we learned when we were learning kinds of sentence. There was also interrogative sentence. When we learned kinds of pronoun, there was also interrogative pronoun. Now interrogative adjectives. WH words are used with nouns to ask question. WH word. Now which are WH words? Words which start with WH, like who, whose, whom, which, what. These words are called WH words. These words we use to ask some question. So when we ask which book is yours, suppose there are so many books and I am asking which book is yours. So here which, the word we use to ask a question, it's WH word. This is the interrogative adjective. So if you remember the pronoun, we discussed about interrogative pronoun. So again the difference is same. When we use the adjective before noun, it's adjective. When we use the word before noun, it's adjective, and when we replace noun with pronoun, it's Interrogative pronoun. It's very easy. The when if you feel confusion whether word is adjective or pronoun, yes, you may get confused that the word it is adjective or pronoun, because I said that you have demonstrative pronoun also, demonstrative adjective also, interrogative pronoun also, and interrogative adjective also. So when we use word used instead of noun, means when we replace noun, that is pronoun, and word used to describe noun, it's adjective noun. So no need to confuse. Remember these 2 points. Okay, word used instead of noun, in place of noun. When we replace the noun, it's pronoun, and word we use to describe a noun, it's adjective. Okay, so the next kind of adjective given in your textbook, it is the adjective of quantity. The next kind is the adjective of quantity, the words used to describe the quantity of thing. Okay, don't get confused here, because we have adjective of number also. Adjective of number, when we use the number, it's clear number means 1 2 3 4 50 60 100 1000, that is adjective of number. But here we are talking about adjective of quantity. Quantity means little, much, some, few, sufficient, enough. These words when we use to describe a noun, that kind of adjective is called adjective of quantity. See, I am saying there are a few oranges in the basket. I am not giving a exact number, exact count. I am just saying there are few oranges are there in the basket. Okay, when we use these kind of words to describe a noun, we are talking about a quantity, but it's not exact quantity. We are saying few, little, much, enough. That is adjective of quantity. So now we have learned all kinds of adjective. So have a look, we'll revise it. The first kind of adjective, it was adjective of quality. Baby has soft skin. We are describing the skin, we are giving quality, it's kind of soft, so it's adjective of quality. The second kind, adjective of quantity. Okay, I have enough knowledge. Okay, I'm saying I have enough knowledge, I'm giving the quantity, so it's adjective of quantity. Next, adjective of number. Sanjay came first in the class. Okay, first, this first is the number. We can say Sanjay came second or Sanjay came fifth in the class. When we are giving particular number, that is adjective of number. Next, demonstrative adjective. When we demonstrate something, we point something, like that pen is mine. I am pointing the pen and I am saying that pen is mine. Next kind is interrogative adjective. When the question is asked and the word start with WH word to describe a noun or pronoun, like whose cycle is this? Cycle is a noun and I'm asking whose cycle is this? So it's interrogative adjective. So this was all about kinds of adjective we learned. Now you need to revise, find more and more example. Okay. So now you would have understand the difference between pronoun and adjective, kinds of pronoun and kinds of adjective, because some kinds of pronoun and kinds of adjective are similar. Okay, learn both the kind and try to understand the difference between both. Okay, now the topic kinds of adjective is over now. In the textbook there are exercise number J and K based on the topic kinds of adjective. Solve the exercise, try to get the answer. Tomorrow I am going to give answer so that you can match it and you will come to know how much you have learned. Okay, this is enough for today. Take care of yourself very nicely. In our next class we will discuss next topic. Bye, have a nice day.